Seedance 2.5 is coming soon, and what kind of surprises will this new version bring us? The biggest upgrade in Seedance 2.5 comes in three major areas. First, Seedance 2.5 now supports generating videos up to 30 seconds long and offers native 4K output. Second, the number of reference materials has been significantly expanded to 50 multimodal references, including images, videos, audio, and text. Third, both video generation and editing have become much more controllable and flexible. Compared with Seedance 2.0, the maximum native video length has been increased from 15 seconds to 30 seconds. The reference capacity has also been upgraded from a maximum of 12 image, text, audio, and video references to 50 fully multimodal reference materials. More importantly, Seedance 2.5 can replace the subject of an existing video while preserving the original video's movements, camera angles, and lighting. This makes it much closer to real-world production needs than traditional text-to-video generation. If you'd like to compare the performance of different AI video models, I highly recommend using Edimakor. Edimakor provides access to several of the latest AI models, including Seedance 2.0 and WAN 2.7. Inside the reference to video feature, WAN 2.7 supports importing a 3 to 25 second reference video along with up to 4 reference images with a maximum generated video length of 10 seconds. Its video quality and sound effects are highly faithful to the original reference materials. Meanwhile, Seedance 2.0 supports importing up to 9 reference images and can generate videos up to 15 seconds long, making it particularly suitable for creating videos with complex actions and dynamic camera movements. Edimakor will also be introducing the Seedance 2.5 model very soon, so go ahead and download Edimakor and experience the incredible upgrades and creative possibilities that Seedance 2.5 has to offer.